Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, we're diving into greening your home. It's all about simple, practical tips to make your living space more eco-friendly while saving money and boosting your well-being. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about energy-saving tips. A super easy switch, LED light bulbs. These use up to 75% less energy than traditional incandescent bulbs and can last up to 25 times longer. Plus, they're available in all kinds of shapes and brightness levels to suit any room in your home. And here's a quick hack: unplug devices when you're not using them. Appliances like TVs, chargers, and coffee makers continue to draw power even when they're turned off. This is called phantom power, and it can add up. Use a smart power strip to make it even easier. Next, let's clean up sustainably, literally. Many commercial cleaning products contain harsh chemicals that aren't great for you or the environment. Instead, try switching to eco-friendly brands, or even better, make your own cleaners at home. For example, here's an easy all-purpose cleaner recipe. Mix 1 cup of white vinegar with 1 cup of water. Add a few drops of essential oil like lemon or lavender for a fresh scent. It's perfect for countertops, mirrors, and more. Not only is it effective, but it's also gentle on the planet and your wallet. Now let's tackle water usage. Did you know the average household uses 330 liters of water per day? That's a lot. But small changes can make a big difference. Start by installing low-flow fixtures on your taps and shower heads. They're affordable, easy to install, and can cut your water usage by up to 50%. And here's a habit: change. Turn off the tap while brushing your teeth. You can save up to 6 liters of water per minute by doing this. Simple, right? Finally, let's talk about indoor plants. They're not just for decoration. Plants like peace lilies, snake plants, and spider plants can actually help purify the air in your home. Indoor plants improve air quality by filtering out toxins, boosting oxygen levels, and even reducing stress. Plus, caring for plants can be a calming, therapeutic activity. If you're new to plants, start with something hardy like a pothos or a ZZ plant. They're low maintenance and practically thrive on neglect. And there you have it, 4 simple ways to green your home. Switch to LED bulbs and unplug unused devices. Use sustainable or homemade cleaning products. Save water with low-flow fixtures and smart habits. Add some indoor plants for cleaner air and a happier home. Remember, small changes add up. Together we can make a big difference for the planet while creating a cozy, eco-friendly home. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And let me know in the comments, what's your favorite way to green your home? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye for now.